Alright, so next thing we'll attempt to do here is to remove the fan. This whole fan assembly. Now, it's been kind of a pain in the butt to figure this out, so we're going to do this on camera together here. So here, right here, well, let me move the camera first so you can see everything. Right here is a connector. Okay, easy to take off. Just push in here, pick up, it just comes right off. Oh, and by the way, I hope you've all been smart enough to realize that you disconnect the battery before doing any work like this. Okay. I did not make a video on how to disconnect the negative terminal to the battery. If you don't know how to do that, you have no business doing any of this. Okay, just FYI. All right, now the next thing we're supposed to do, as you can see here, there is. Let me get a screwdriver. Use it as my pointer. This here is like a locking clip right here. We're supposed to push that in. So then we can slide this plastic piece over, up and over, and then this little thingamabob, I forget what they call it. Let me look on my computer real quick. We'll come over here. And this is one of my things I'm using. And they call it holder. Wow, okay, yeah, fancy name, holder, yeah. Okay, the fan cowl holder. Into assembly position, whatever that is. And it's able to move, looks like it flips, the way the drawing shows it's flipping this way, from there to there. So I guess that's assembly position. So that's what we're going to try to do. Let's do this again here. Wish I had one extra arm. I have a 14-year-old arm. Oh. Okay. Now. Assembly position, what is that? Move anything? Okay. Now, things here, they seem to be blocked by something. Something is stopping me from bringing it up. I do believe it's because there's a tab here. I shall show you. Okay, well here. This side, so let's see. Do we have room on this side we can play with? We do, partially. Maybe we could wiggle it out. Let's see what happens. Oh, no, get back there. Get back here. Yeah, come in, sucker. Come on. Oh, is this the one that folds in? Maybe this is the one that folds inside. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, I think I've got the fold in. Which is good. However, there's still a hose blocking it. Come on, there's one. Okay, ooh, I think we got it by. Oh, look at this. Here it comes. There she is. Alright. We got her.